Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about should you trade demo or live in Forex? Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. But in this video, I want to talk about should you trade demo or live and what are the advantages and disadvantages of that. So what I'm going to do, I've actually split the page into two. I'm going to give you the advantages of trading demo and the disadvantages of trading demo. And obviously the opposite effect, the opposite of that is going to be the case for a live account. So let's just put the advantages of trading demo, just to make it clear. Okay. So let's just come in here and we're going to say number one, the advantages of trading demo is if you're testing a new strategy or concept or whatever, you can play around to your heart's content and you know you're not going to be losing any capital from your live account. Number two, you can practice your strategy until you perfect it. Okay, so you can play around, you can practice it, you can enter trades, exit trades, you can do what you want to do, again, knowing you're not going to lose any of your live capital. And number three, let's just put three down for this. You can practice using MT4 or C-Trader or whatever it is that you trade. Okay, so if you're brand new to MetaTrader 4 or C-Trader, you can have a play around, enter trades, exit trades, put expert advisors on there, indicators on there, whatever you want to do, knowing that you can just fully play around and you're not going to do any damage to any live accounts. Okay, so disadvantages of trading demo, okay, is one, you have no money involved, which means no money means no emotions. Okay, so if you're trading a live account, especially for the first time, you're going to feel some kind of emotion because you've got real money, you've got real live money involved in that trade. In a demo account, it basically has no effect on your emotions because, as I say, it's demo, it's not real money, and you know there's just no comeback if you win or lose. Okay, so let's just put in there. You have no emotions involved in a trade. Okay, let's just put that down. Okay, disadvantages. Demo accounts often have time limits. So quite often, a lot of brokers will let you set up a demo account, but they'll tell you that it will automatically be shut down in 2 weeks. And they do that so that they haven't just got thousands of demo accounts just randomly sat out there that aren't being used. So if you want to do any long-term trading or you want to test a new strategy over a number of weeks or a number of months, which I personally do, you need to make sure that you have a broker that's going to give you an account that doesn't automatically get shut down. I'm not going to recommend any in this video, but just go and have a look and just make sure that you look into that before you start trading using that account. Okay, now three, demo accounts do not use real transactional data. So quite often, if you're trading a demo account, it's a split second entry or exit into the market. Okay, if you're trading live, potentially, you know, for every buy in the market, somebody has to sell it. For every sell in the market, somebody has to buy it. So consequently, there can be a split second or a very small time gap between hitting that entry button and actually the market or your broker entering you into the market. So you do get a very slight delay on a live account to what you would get on a demo account. So let's just say that you doesn't use real transactional data. It does effectively because it's a copy of the live account, but it doesn't use it, doesn't do it in real time, if that makes sense. 4. Now it can be very easy to overtrade because you're demoing, because you've got no emotions involved, because there's no money involved. It's very easy to overtrade. You just think, oh, well, it doesn't matter because it's a demo account. I'm just going to enter this trade, see how it goes. I mean, I've been in that position many times. If you're using a demo account to practice a new strategy, you have to treat it as if it was a live account with tens of thousands of dollars or pounds or whatever in that account. Otherwise, you will just treat it like a play account and you will not get the results that you want from that data. Okay, so let's just put easy to over trade. 5, which kind of runs on from number 4 effectively. It's easy to pick up bad habits because, again, you know, you're just going to see something, oh, I'll see how it goes. I'll enter that trade. Yeah, I'm not quite convinced on it, but I'll kind of see what happens and I'll enter it and see what happens and see where we end up, sort of thing. Now that can be a really bad thing to do because it's going to enable you to pick up bad habits and do things that you wouldn't normally do on a live account. And number 6, as I say, we've said this before, you have no emotions involved, but if you're in huge drawdown, for instance, it's very easy to just say, oh, I'll just move the stop loss, or I'll just do this, or I'll just do that. Drawdown doesn't cause you any emotion, and it just causes you to potentially do things that you normally wouldn't do. So drawdown causes no emotions. Okay, so that's basically a little bit of an insight as to why you should or why you shouldn't trade using a demo account. I mean, the way I would do anything, and the way I do anything, is trade my strategy on a demo account as if I was trading it live. Now that sounds very easy to do, and it sounds like, you know, yeah, it's an easy thing to follow, but when you've got no emotions involved of a live account, it's very easy just to kind of, like I say, oh, I'll enter that trade, I'll give this a go, I'll give that a go. But no, you need to be very strict with your rules, very strict with your entries, and, you know, journal everything so you can go back, see what you did, see why you entered that trade, see why you got that outcome. And as I say, get your trading plan, stick to your trading plan, even in demo, journal everything, even in demo, so that you can see what you've got there and actually grow, so that when you do move on to a live account, you know you've already got a winning strategy. So anyway, hope you found this video helpful. If you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and I do look forward to talking with you in another video real soon. Take care.